The integration of AI-powered robots in the service sector has collected significant attention, particularly within selected food establishments, aiming to enhance operational efficiency and customer experience. This study investigates customer perceptions of AI-powered robots deployed in selected food establishments, focusing on how these robots influence various dimensions of customer perceptions and acceptance.
Very useful siya, 10 out of 10 kasi siyempre sa halip na lumabas pa yung crew namin dun sa dining is yung robot na yung mismo magdadala dun sa mga tao. But minsan kasi hindi din siya ganun ka-useful kasi siyempre lalo na yung ibang customer na may mga follow-up na hindi naman nila matatanong yung robot.
The mixed method framework adapted to the research that combines quantitative and qualitative research design methodologies. In detail, the quantitative component for this study uses the descriptive approach to ensure there is a comprehensive description of the in-depth understanding regarding to the experience and views of the respondents. This design is suitable because it enables the gathering and analysis the numerical data that highlights the level of customer satisfactions and customer perceptions toward to the service interaction with AI-powered service robot in restaurant.
Kasi ang dami natutuwa sa kami. Marami natutuwa. Minsan ayun ang dinadayo sa number 1. Kasi malaking tulong din talaga pag i-robot mo na lang yung isi-serve mo na lang gamit ang robot. Mas less work.
The qualitative component will further complement the quantitative data in getting a broader understanding of the perception by the managers. This approach is more likely to explore the experiences and perspective in detail so that the result could gain by the numerical values could be added with depth and context. The integration such as methods seek to provide comprehensive insight into the participants' significance perceptions and experiences of AI-powered service robot so that this study may uncover its effects within the food and beverage industry.